Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano, including FT7 managing partners predict a $20 Cardano and a $700 Polkadot within the next 2 to 3 years. We're also going to be taking a look at Charles Hoskinson to hold a keynote at Blockchain Africa conference, and to finish off we're going to be taking a look at worldwide Google searches for Cardano hits a new record high. And we're also going to be taking a look at price analysis to finish off today's video. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, even though the market is having a slight correction, are you still bullish for the rest of this year? With that, let's jump straight into this video. Before we jump into the latest news, let's take a look at how the market is performing today. Today, the market is seeing quite a lot of red. Bitcoin is down over 8%, so that means that altcoins are going to be seeing anywhere between a 10 and 20% decline, or possibly higher. So that could be the best possible time to buy, or to really test your patience. Bitcoin is currently at 46,696, Ethereum is at 1,470, Cardano is down 14% to $1.05, Polkadot is at $33, XRP is at 45 cents, Litecoin is at $172, Chainlink is at $26, and Stellar is at 39 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano, so let's jump straight into the first article. And this article says, FT7 managing partners Prakash Chand and Qdala project Cardano headed to $20 and Polkadot to $700. And it says down here, FT7 Ventures managing partner Prakash Chand has gone on record today with his prediction that the price of Cardano and Polkadot could rise approximately 20x within the next 2 to 3 years. His projection is based on the belief that institutional money will begin to flow into these platforms, including Ethereum, as more organizations realize the potential they have to change the world. And they tweeted saying, I probably shouldn't have used the word useless, but at the end of the day, as a technologist, I strongly do feel that ADA, DOT and Ethereum have greater potential to change the world with meaningful projects. In my opinion, these 3 projects are going to start disrupting industries across the board, from healthcare to real estate to financial, said Chand. Chand's fund, which recently announced they have begun selling off $750 million worth of Bitcoin to instead invest in Cardano and Polkadot, has begun making headlines for bullish moves in favour of the 2 altcoins. According to Chand, the potential for these 2 projects along with Ethereum to change the way the world does business is massive. Chand believes companies like Tesla, which hold $1.5 billion in BTC, will eventually move some funds to Ethereum, DOT and ADA. Chand, who is also the founder of Ask the Doctor, started accepting Bitcoin on his platform back in 2016, 5 years ahead of Tesla's February 2021 announcement that they will begin to accept Bitcoin as a payment. And it says down here, fellow FT7 managing partner Qdala stated that I'm getting calls from institutional investors who weren't even aware of Cardano and its ADA token, but are expressing interest. This is all happening as institutions are just catching up to what Bitcoin is over a decade after it was created. He went on to say, think about it like this, Bitcoin was created in 2009 and it took it this long for real institutional money to pour in. We even have Bitcoin ETFs now. He continued to say, we are on the cusp of mass institutional adoption in crypto. I can tell you when it comes to Cardano, Polkadot and Ethereum, the institutional money is not going to wait 10 years this time. Bitcoin has given us the proof of concept that built the trust in the market and forged a path for innovative altcoins to scale much faster. So overall, $20 is a bold statement, but it is definitely not impossible. We have seen cryptocurrency do these sort of gains before, and it is exactly why it is famous. In 2 to 3 years time, it could definitely be a very possible outcome. I want to know down below, do you think $20 for Cardano is possible? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says Charles Hoskinson to hold keynote at Blockchain Africa conference. Charles Hoskinson will deliver a keynote at the Blockchain Africa conference 2021 on Cardano projects on the African continent. The conference will take place online from March 18th to March 19th and is free of charge. The organisers of Blockchain Africa conference 2021 have announced yesterday that Charles Hoskinson, founder and CEO of IOG and inventor of Cardano, will deliver a keynote addressing Cardano projects on the African continent. Hoskinson has spoken several times in recent weeks about the tremendous opportunities that the African continent offers. The ADA community is now speculating that Hoskinson will announce the landing of African birds at the conference, which will be held on March 18th to March 19th. John O'Connor, Director of African Operations at IOG, teased in early February that the company is in the final stages of securing a government contract in Ethiopia to bring several million users on the Cardano blockchain, celebrating the world's largest blockchain deployment to date. IOG's focus countries also include South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria and Tanzania. Regarding the latter country, O'Connor revealed that IOG is also close to signing a contract to provide access to the internet to the people who do not have access. As part of the project, the company aims not only to give every telecommunications customer a digital identity, but also offer ADA as a means of payment. However, it remains to be seen if and what announcements Hoskinson will make. So overall, even though the market is having a slight pullback at the moment, there is still plenty more room for growth in this crypto space. There is still some very big updates and announcements to come with Cardano as well as some other cryptocurrencies, so this year is the golden year for cryptocurrency. A lot of us have been waiting for this year, especially me, and so far it is proving exactly that. We are only 3 months into the golden year of cryptocurrency with so many more big things to come and updates, so be greedy when others are fearful. But I want to know down below, what was the cheapest price you ever bought Cardano? This is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at price analysis and the stake pool update, and this one says worldwide Google searches for Cardano hits a new record. Cardano Google searches at a new all-time high as investors come to ADA. The searches will more than likely double by the end of the current week. Cardano broke the record set back in the 2017 and 2018 crypto bull run. We will see further interest in the next few weeks. Projections estimate that ADA searches will rise by the end of the current week. Source Google Trend. The surging interest in Cardano started after a few vital events took place in the blockchain project. The founder Charles Hoskinson recently set up new ventures and integrations with notable industry names. Apart from enhancing security, the upgrade added multi-asset compatibility to the network and dApps creation. Moreover, ADA's demand has been on the rise in the past few weeks. A fitting example came last week when a Dubai-based investment fund announced plans to sell its $750 million of its BTC holdings to use the funds for ADA and DOT, which we talked about at the start of the video. At the same time, crypto funds have also impacted the ADA token price. The asset started the new year at about 18 cents. Since then, it went up after a 700% surge to a new all-time high of nearly $1.50. Despite dipping slightly since then, ADA is still roughly 600% up year to date. Naturally, this exciting show boosted the market cap, and ADA is now the third largest digital asset with a market cap of $38 billion. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, since the peak we have been in a downward trend. At the moment we are at the levels of $1.05, so considering we are seeing a bearish trend at the moment, it could be a very good time to buy. I am personally going to be buying some at this current state, purely because we are in a correction phase. If you buy at any point during a red phase, then you are doing cryptocurrency right. I personally think if we can stay above the levels of $1, then we are still in a very bullish scenario. If we do end up pulling back to the levels of below $1, then again, those are some very good buying opportunities considering how many times this crypto market has recovered. As you can see here, we ended up testing these strong levels over and over again, and again, we ended up being in a very bullish direction. Now, this needs to happen for the crypto market to stay healthy, but again, Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing. So when Bitcoin has a correction, the rest of the market tends to follow. If we do see a very heavy correction and we fall below the levels of 90 cents, then again, it will be a very good buying opportunity, but then we will start to get in risky territory. We will have many key levels to break before we hit that, but again, I am still very bullish for the long term of Cardano. Cardano's future is absolutely incredible, and I think a short little bump in the road is not going to affect its future. We still have plenty more time to go in this crypto space. If we did end up pulling back to the levels of 70 cents, then that would be a very dangerous indication that the bull market could be over. But I personally think we will not see those prices. And if we do, I personally will be going all in because Cardano's value is absolutely incredible. Remember, whether you're new or a veteran, buy the dips, stay focused, stay patient, and you will be a winner. Just quickly, I just want to bring you guys a quick update to do with the NOBES stake pool. We have recently hit 25 delegations and 389,000 Cardano staked with the NOBES stake pool, and recently we hit our first ever block. The rewards for that first block were a 344% increase, which means that delegators would have got a 3.4 times increase of their usual rewards. Whether you have 20 Cardano, 100 Cardano, 100,000 Cardano, or a million Cardano, any help towards this pool will really help. Can we get to 30 delegations by the end of the week? Come and give the NOBES stake pool a try. I have an incredible team behind me that will never miss a block, so you guys will never have to worry about missing any rewards. If you do want to join the NOBES stake pool or you are thinking about it, just let me know down below and I'll help you to the best of my ability. And thank you so much to everyone that joins in the future. Here's to Team NOBES. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you are considering joining Team Nobes, please let me know down below and I'll help you to the best of my ability. Whether you have 1,000 Cardano, 10,000 Cardano or 100,000 Cardano, any amount will really help to this pool. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.